Alright, I'm going to go over these parts right quick. We got the right pulmonary artery is the blue one. The right pulmonary vein is the red one. We got the superior vena cava, which splits off into two branches. We have the right brachiocephalic vein that goes to the right subclavian vein, as well as the right internal jugular vein. Okay, moving on, this is the left brachiocephalic vein. Left brachiocephalic vein goes this way. So right brachiocephalic vein, left brachiocephalic vein. Right here, this one coming up slightly, is the left internal jugular vein, and this little one on the exterior is the left external jugular vein. Alright, so now for the aorta, ascending aorta, aortic arch, descending aorta. Underneath the right subclavian vein, we have the right subclavian artery, which branches from the brachiocephalic trunk to the right subclavian artery, as well as the right common carotid artery. The next branch, we have the left common carotid artery, and then we have the left subclavian artery. Alright, so inside here we have the blue line, that's the hemizygous vein, and these branch off. The red ones are the intercostal arteries, and the blue one are intercostal veins. Alright, so down here below the diaphragm we have the inferior vena cava, and that goes both ways here. These are the renal arteries. This is the left renal artery and the right renal artery. But it comes down this way to the gonads, so that's the gonadal vein. This would be the left one. This is the abdominal aorta, collectively. This right here is the inferior mesenteric artery. The superior one is right here, the superior mesenteric artery. This right here is the cephalic trunk, I believe, which branches off into three directions. On top we have the left gastric artery. To the left we have the hepatic artery, and then to the right we have the splenic artery. So gastric, hepatic, splenic. Superior mesenteric is here. And this is also renal artery, so right renal artery, left renal artery. Down here, down the abdominal aorta, we have the common iliac arteries. So the right common iliac artery, the left common iliac artery, which again splits. So down here we have the right internal iliac vein, right external iliac vein. Okay, so with the vena cava, the inferior vena cava, it also splits here. This is the right internal iliac vein, the right external iliac vein. Alright, so in this one, up by the arm here, is the right axillary vein. Just kind of naming some random ones here. Oh, and down here, this is the right femoral artery. And this on this side is the left great saphenous vein, the longest vein in the body. And this little point here is the left femoral artery. Alright.